Oh, it's so good.
We have broken out of quarantine. Yay, we're free. And what did that mean? Getting coffee today.
Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
All right, let's go to the farmer's market.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
This is my wife, Jackie.
This is my wife, Laura.
And this is our life. We are in Summerside, PEI today, and I am so excited because we are going to a farmer's market. PEI is well known for their potatoes, but they are amazing farmers, and there is so much offerings here. I love vegetables. I do, I love vegetables. I love vegetables so much. And September is probably the best time for eating local fruits and vegetables in Canada. One of the best things about being in PEI is the time in the big kitchen to cook in. Coming up with like really crazy dinner projects is something that I love to do, and I'm really excited to do that. Is there anything that you're looking for at the farmer's market?
Apples. I love fresh apples.
Try that for texture.
All right, I'll try it. Wow. Okay, and I'll take some fresh strawberries. Okay. You got that one? I think so, yeah. All right.
Anything that Laura puts in front of me to eat, I love. I'm very excited to watch her be so excited about vegetables and about the farmer market and getting so inspired to make us dinner tonight.
Back at the cottage, and I am ready to cook some food. I was trying to think of what to make with all of the goodies that we got from the farmer's market, and it was really this guy, the turnip, which I love. I love eating turnip, and usually my mom will make mashed turnip with apple, and I love that. But I figured I should do something totally different than that, so I've been reading a vegetarian Indian cookbook. And surprisingly, they also have a mashed turnip recipe. Totally different avenue with Indian spices, and that is what I'm gonna make. Once I decided on the turnip, then I was like, okay, what other Indian dishes can I make to have an Indian feast? We're gonna do stuff with green beans. We're gonna make stir-fried cabbage with some Indian spices. I love a chickpea pancake, but the one in this cookbook has it with tomatoes, so I'm really excited to try. Jackie and I love Indian food, so I'm really excited to just like make a bunch of dishes and fill my belly and lie down. Time to cook. Might get messy.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
We're ready to eat, so let's run through what we got going on again. We have a stir-fried cabbage with garam masala in it.
Oh, it sounds so good.
This is green beans, coconut, mustard, and red chili flake. Chickpea pancake. This is the mashed turnip where it all started. So it's mashed turnip with cumin seeds and chili and tomato, and
I'm so excited to try it all.
this is really good.
Oh my goodness. This turnip is so good.
It's like totally different than any other turnip obviously I've ever eaten.
It's amazing.
Okay, go cabbage.
Okay, cabbage.
Yeah, it's got like
A lot of heat on that.
That garam masala has like cinnamon and stuff in it. Really good. Okay, go bean.
Spicy. The texture is so good on those beans. And it is so hot.
They're like so deceivingly spicy.
Pancake?
That's good with tomatoes in it. What a good feast.
Good feast. We've always loved Indian food, and this is just proving once again that we love Indian food. It's so good.
It smells like hot and warm and spicy in here right now. These PEI vegetables, farm fresh, they're on our table tonight and they are really shining here.
Well, we're gonna eat now because I cannot hold myself back anymore. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and tune in next Friday for another Wife Life video. Have a good one. Bye.
Okay, now.
Are you ready?